Someone is training an AI to do exactly what you do, and it doesn't sleep, doesn't get tired, and costs less than you do per month. The question is, how much time do you have left before you're replaced? The automation of administrative tasks through artificial intelligence is significantly transforming the corporate landscape. Roles that involve processing and organizing large volumes of information are highly susceptible to automation. Intelligent systems can perform these tasks faster and more accurately, reducing the need for human intervention. Impact on the job market. The replacement of administrative roles by AI is already a reality in many companies. A study by Goldman Sachs estimates that up to 300 million full-time jobs worldwide could be automated by the latest wave of artificial intelligence. In addition, a survey revealed that 41% of companies plan to replace roles with AI, but 77% intend to invest in upskilling their employees so they can work alongside the technology. The implementation of AI in automating administrative tasks offers several benefits, such as operational efficiency, reduces time spent on repetitive tasks, allowing employees to focus on strategic activities. Error reduction. AI processes data with high precision, minimizing manual mistakes. Resource optimization. By automating routine tasks, teams can focus on initiatives that bring greater value to the business. The automation of data entry and administrative tasks through AI is a growing trend that's set to redefine the job market. While it presents challenges, especially related to job displacement, it also brings significant opportunities to boost efficiency and allow professionals to focus on more strategic and creative roles. AI is revolutionizing customer service. In the U.S., artificial intelligence is reshaping the customer service landscape, delivering greater efficiency and enhancing the overall customer experience. Consumer preference for chatbots. Studies show a significant portion of consumers prefer interacting with chatbots due to the speed of response. According to Chatbot Magazine, 69% of consumers choose chatbots for quick answers to simple questions. AI adoption by U.S. companies. American companies are rapidly adopting AI-based solutions to optimize customer service. A notable example is Comcast, which implemented the Ask Me Anything AMA system, allowing agents to consult a language model in real time during customer interactions. This tool reduced handling time by about 10% per interaction, leading to significant cost savings. The chatbot market is booming. The global chatbot market is expected to reach $27.3 billion, highlighting the rising demand for AI-driven customer service solutions. In the fast food sector, U.S. chains are expanding the use of AI in drive-thrus. These systems naturally recognize and process orders, interacting with customers like a human attendant and streamlining the food preparation process. In American call centers, AI adoption has automated low-complexity tasks, such as informational inquiries and basic transactions. Experts estimate that up to 80% of these interactions could be automated, allowing human agents to focus on more complex issues. Customer service, positive results, and ethical concerns. AI implementation in customer service has shown positive results. One survey revealed that 61% of consumers have a positive perception of interacting with chatbots, considering it an effective tool for brand customer communication. However, despite the benefits, the replacement of employees by AI raises ethical concerns and challenges related to service quality. A notable example is Dukan, an Indian company that replaced 90% of its support staff with an AI chatbot. While this resulted in near-instant responses and a significant reduction in problem resolution time, the move sparked debate about the impact on human jobs and customer experience. AI is reshaping U.S. manufacturing. Artificial intelligence is also transforming the manufacturing sector in the U.S., driving major improvements in efficiency and productivity. Jobs at risk. Oxford study. A landmark study by Carl Benedict Frey and Michael A. Osborne from the University of Oxford, published in 2013, estimated that approximately 47% of jobs in the U.S. are at high risk of automation in the coming decades. The analysis reviewed the susceptibility of 702 occupations to computerization, concluding that nearly half of all jobs could be automated in the near future. Retail cashiers. Transformation in the retail sector. Artificial intelligence is reshaping the retail sector in the United States, significantly impacting the role of store cashiers. The introduction of self-service systems and AI-powered technologies aims to enhance the customer experience and boost operational efficiency. However, this shift also raises concerns about the replacement of traditional jobs by automated solutions. Impact on the job market. The growing adoption of self-service technologies has led to a decline in cashier positions across retail establishments. According to a study cited by the Inter-American Development Bank, based on market data and industry projections, around 43 million jobs in the United States and Mexico could be impacted by artificial intelligence within just 1 year. The report highlights that retail is one of the most vulnerable sectors due to the widespread implementation of technologies like smart kiosks and automated checkouts, which are progressively replacing the role of human cashiers. Given this scenario, it's essential for professionals in the retail sector to seek reskilling to adapt to the new demands of the market. Roles that require interpersonal skills, technology management, and data analysis are becoming increasingly valuable. Collaboration between companies, governments, and educational institutions is crucial to develop training programs that prepare workers for this transition. The implementation of AI in the retail sector offers clear benefits in terms of efficiency and customer experience. However, it's just as important to address the employment challenges that come with it, ensuring that the workforce is equipped to adapt and thrive in an increasingly automated environment. Basic analytical roles: automation of data, analysis and processing. Artificial intelligence is transforming how companies analyze data and generate reports. Tasks that were once handled by junior analysts, such as report generation, descriptive analysis, and identification of simple patterns, can now be performed by AI-powered systems with greater speed, accuracy, and at a lower cost. What's being replaced? Tools like ChatGPT, Google Gemini, Microsoft Copilot, and platforms such as Tableau and Power BI with AI capabilities are automating activities like creating dashboards, interpreting quantitative data, suggesting insights from structured data sets. In U.S. companies, this shift has led to a reduced need for entry-level roles in areas like business intelligence, analytical marketing, and sales support. Study and projections. According to the Future of Jobs report by the World Economic Forum, routine administrative and analytical roles are among the most at risk of automation in the coming years. The study estimates that around 26 million administrative jobs could be replaced globally, particularly in the US and Western Europe. Transformation, not total elimination. While basic functions are at risk, the role of the analyst isn't disappearing, it's evolving. Professionals who develop strategic thinking, data storytelling, critical analysis, and the ability to connect numbers to business decisions will continue to be highly valued. AI is automating what's technical and repetitive. The human edge lies in the ability to interpret, communicate, and guide decision-making. Those who understand this shift in time will successfully move from replaceable tasks to irreplaceable roles. Artificial intelligence, AI, is reshaping the landscape of graphic design, especially in entry-level roles. Advanced AI tools are automating repetitive tasks like image adjustments and graphic element resizing, allowing designers to focus on the more creative aspects of their work. Automation and entry-level impact. AI-driven automation has led to a reduced need for junior graphic designers for basic tasks. Platforms like DALL-E and Midjourney enable the generation of unique images from text prompts, lowering the demand for professionals to create simple artwork. Additionally, design software like Adobe Photoshop now integrates AI-powered features that streamline editing and image enhancement, directly impacting entry-level design roles. Opportunities and ethical challenges. While AI brings efficiency and innovation, it also raises ethical and creative concerns. Discussions around originality and authorship of AI-generated designs are becoming increasingly relevant. It's crucial for designers to develop complementary skills, focusing on creativity, critical thinking, and cultural interpretation, areas where human sensitivity remains irreplaceable. The path forward for designers. The integration of AI into graphic design is transforming the industry, especially at the entry level. To stand out, professionals must invest in skills beyond automation, using AI as a tool to amplify creativity and innovation, not as a replacement. Adaptation is key. Those who embrace this shift can evolve from task executors to creative strategists. The production of low creative written content, such as product descriptions, generic social media posts, article summaries, and automated responses, is among the areas most impacted by generative artificial intelligence. Tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, Copy.ai, and other language models have been widely adopted by companies to generate content at scale, with lower costs and greater speed. As a result, the demand for junior copywriters has decreased, especially within agencies and digital marketing teams. According to HubSpot's State of AI in Marketing report, over 60% of marketers in the US already use AI to assist in content creation. That number is expected to grow, especially for simpler, more standardized texts. What AI can and can't replace. Despite the rise of automation, strategic and creative content that requires complex storytelling is still challenging for AI to replicate with real depth. Writers who focus on storytelling, emotional copywriting, brand voice, and human-centered content strategies continue to hold a valuable place in the market. AI is replacing mechanical execution, but purposeful, identity-driven, and meaningful communication remains a deeply human and irreplaceable skill. The human resources sector is also being transformed by artificial intelligence, especially in the early stages of recruitment. Automated tools for resume screening, profile analysis, and even basic interviews are increasingly being used by companies across the United States. Software like HireVue, Pymetrics, and AI algorithms integrated into platforms like LinkedIn, Recruiter help filter candidates based on keywords, behavioral patterns, and job description alignment. While these tools reduce the time recruiters spend on operational tasks, they also raise ethical concerns, such as algorithmic bias and lack of transparency in selection criteria. According to IBM's AI at Work report, over 35% of U.S. companies already use some form of artificial intelligence in their hiring process, especially for resume screening and candidate prioritization. Efficiency meets ethics. Although these tools bring speed and efficiency, the human touch remains essential in the critical stages of hiring: in-depth interviews, cultural fit assessments, and final negotiations. HR professionals who learn to use AI as a strategic ally while maintaining human sensitivity will be better equipped to lead in this new era of talent acquisition. AI accelerates the process, but empathy is what makes the right hire. With every advancement in artificial intelligence, a new human role is put to the test. But that doesn't mean the end of work. It means the end of repetitive, predictable, and replaceable work. If you've made it this far, you've already realized one thing: you can't ignore the movement anymore. Those who resist get left behind. Those who understand the game learn how to play it. AI didn't come to take your place, but someone who knows how to use AI can take your spot. So, instead of waiting to be impacted, choose to stay ahead. I recommend you watch the video. There's still time to get rich with AI in 2025, step by step. In it, you'll learn how to develop a new role in the age of artificial intelligence, one that puts you on the other side of the equation. The side of those who create with AI, not the ones replaced by it. There's still time, but not for long. The decision is in your hands.